Relating slope and y-intercept to linear equations worksheet. I'm looking at the back now, and before I help you with the entire back, I want to remind you of these three things. We're going to see three different types of lines. It's either going to be a slanted line, and if that's the case, you have to find m and b, and then your equation will look like y equals mx plus b. If it's a vertical lines only cross the y-axis. So your answer is just x equals a number. For all vertical lines, it's going to be just x equals a number. Horizontal lines only cross the y-axis. Therefore, that equation is going to look like y equals a number. So for vertical lines and horizontal lines, it's just one variable. But if it's a slanted line, you'll have both y and x. And you'll have to find m and b. Okay, so let's look at 5 through 7. Let's start with 5. 5 is a vertical line. That vertical line only crosses the x-axis. Where does it cross the x-axis? Well, right here is the origin, so it crosses at -1, -2. So this would be x equals -2. All right? And that's all the work that you have to do for 5. That is your answer. X equals -2. That's it. Number 6. Number 6 is this horizontal line. It only crosses the y-axis right here. So, where does it cross the y-axis? At +1. So y equals 1. And that's it. That's all the work you have to show for number 6. And your answer is just y equals 1. Number 7, however, is a slanted line. And when you have a slanted line, you have to find both the slope and the y-intercept. We have to find both slope and y-intercept. Well, let's start with the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Where does this cross the y-axis? At 1, 2. So b equals 2. So I'm going to zoom out, come down to number 7, and put that b equals 2. Now I need to find my slope. And remember, slope is rise over run. So this would be my rise. And does not want to cooperate. That would be my run. So what is my rise? Well, my rise is 1, 2, 3. My rise is 3. My run is 1, 2. Rise is 3, the run is 2. So I come down here. My rise is 3, my run is 2. And now that I know my slope and my y-intercept, I can write my equation. And remember, the equation looks like y equals mx plus b. So this is going to go in for the m. Oops. It's going to go in for the m. And this is going to go in for the b. So my final equation, y equals 3/2 x, and since it's a +2, it's +2. All right, so that is it for 5, 6, and 7. If you have any questions on problems 5, 6, and 7, please let me know.